ECWID AliExpress tutorial. So hi guys, before we get started, let me show you what ECWID is. So basically, ECWID is a platform where you can make your own website and sell your items right here. So you can sell online, in store, and on the go. You could also create a website as I have mentioned a while ago. Now, if you have ECWID, you can actually sell those products that you have on your website to Facebook or Instagram as well. Now, you could actually start with a free trial or get started for free. What you're going to do is just to click on this button right here in the upper right hand corner. As for me, I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account. So here, in my login, let's just wait for our page to load. Basically, I have already logged in with my Google account and I have created ECWID using Google. So you can create your ECWID account using your Google, sign in, or your Facebook. So here, this is the first thing that you can see in your ECWID account. So there is the greeting section and you will be able to see a to-do list. Now, let us know how to drop ship our products from AliExpress. So here in the left-hand side, you can actually see a panel right here. Now, just need to look for apps, go to the app market. And once you go to the app market, simply search for drop shipping. Or here, there is actually a link that routes you to drop shipping options. Now, there are actually free drop shipping like the sub drop shipping, Prene 6, catalog. This is not for free. If you want to also use Pocket is also a good drop shipping. But that's for free for a month. There's actually a free trial, but basically it costs $24.99. What I'm going to use for today's video is the SUP drop shipping since this is just a free one. Right. So here it is an all-in-one drop shipping service that help you easily learn more and grow your business. So there is direct sourcing, the profit is guaranteed, most multi-store management and professional shipping as well. And the likes. Those are just some of the advantages of SUP drop shipping. All right. Now, what we're going to do next is we are going to install this into our ECWID. Okay. Now, if you agree, simply click on install. And let's just wait for SUP drop shipping to be installed into our ECWID. Now, let's open the application. Once it has been installed, basically, it will route us to a separate page, which is our sign in. So as for me, I'm just gonna sign in using my Google account. All right. Now, all right. Now this is your SUP drop shipping. And basically, you're just going to look for the products that you would like to see or add into your store. So here, let's open our AliExpress. And what we're going to do is that we are going to simply search for products here at AliExpress. Need to do is to simply select a product that you would like to export from AliExpress. So here, what we're going to do is to go back first to our SUP drop shipping and let's simply select and go to find product section. Now here, let's go to our sourcing in the left hand corner. So here in the sourcing, what you're going to do is that you're going to, sorry, not under sourcing, but rather we are going to go to imported products. All right, what we're going to do is to simply copy the URL of the product that we would like to import from AliExpress, and after which we are going to copy this one and paste it here in our shop dropshipping. So here in the search bar, what we're going to do is simply paste the URL and import products. Now, when you click on import products, basically, if there is no error, it will basically show up. But as you can see, there is a data error right here on my end or on my page, which actually happens as well. Another thing that you can do is that here under sourcing, you can actually simply save the photo of the one that you have from AliExpress, and then you are going to paste it here in the sourcing. All right. So once you have saved and pasted the picture, you will actually see a variety of products that you can import as well into your sub drop shipping. So you can simply click on import basically, and then you can confirm the importing of your product. Now, another thing that you could also do is that you can source the product. And how do we do that? Basically, we're gonna stay on this page. All right. So here under imported orders, you don't see any data just yet because we don't have any orders yet. Okay, so again, here in this section, we're going to source the product. You just need to enter your target price. So say for instance, let's have $10 and you hit on confirm. Now, once done, you will actually find this one in our sourcing results. And for this, we actually have a status as pending right here first. All right, you can actually view the action section and there are no notes and you could actually chat with the agent. Since there were errors when creating the imported products when we input the URL, let me just show you how you can list it to the store when it has successfully showed. So basically, you just need to click on list it to store in the picture. And then afterwards, you're going to input all the necessary information right here. Select a category, input the variant, set the price, and also here you could also add images for your product, input the title of the product, and as well as this description right here. So after that, you can simply click on list it now. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this video helpful.